Well, hey there! Today, we're going to learn about the electron transport chain and chemiosmosis. So this is a pretty sweet process in the mitochondria of the cell. The main goal is to synthesize ATP, which is used as energy, and it happens in the cristae of the mitochondria, which are these little folds that you see here. And then this does need oxygen, so it is an aerobic process. So, step by step. Step one. You got these things called NADH and FADH2, and they give up their electrons. So, they give up their electrons right here that you can't see on that frame. And then, next step, those hydrogen ions that they release are pumped out of the matrix of the mitochondria into the cristae and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth through things called cytochrome. Cytochrome are just little channel protein sort of things. So, after that happens, there's a lot of hydrogen ions in the inner mitochondrial membrane. So, what those little suckers do, step 3, ATP synthase pumps it back into the matrix, and when that happens, ADP, which is adenosine diphosphate, combines with a phosphate and creates ATP, which is used as energy. So that's pretty sweet. Then the next step is the hydrogen ions that are left over are combined with oxygen and it makes water. H2O, the water leaves, and then the NAD and FAD, which are NAD and FAD now, they're not NADH and FADH2, they are recycled back to processes like glycolysis, prep step, Krebs cycle, and so forth. So, fun facts, 32 to 34 ATP are produced per one glucose molecule. Pretty darn sweet. This is probably the biggest energy making process in a cell right here. So there you have it, folks. You now know what in the heck happens in a mitochondria of a cell.